Hi everyone, in this video I will show you one website or portal. It's called bubble.io, using which you can create various web application. This is custom built web application. That means after you use initial AI to create the blueprint of the app, then you can go ahead and make a lot of customizations in this tool to create your own website. So there are dedicated developers also working in this field, that is bubble developers, who will build end-to-end website. The end result is that you will be able to make these websites or portals much faster than traditional development. So I'll show you how you can create. So let me put a prompt here. I'll say create a innovation competition and scholarships aggregation portal. Okay, so let me put that aggregation portal where students can log in and find various opportunities. They can also save opportunities and get reminded based on deadline of competitions. Okay, so this is the prompt I put in. Now let's generate the blueprint of this. So within 30 seconds it will generate the blueprint of the app or web application that I am talking about, that I have put the prompt for. Now it will find out and tell what all other things that I need. Okay, so this is the opportunity hub. As a student, I want to browse a list of innovation competition and scholarships so that I can find opportunities that interest me. As a student, I want to save specific opportunity to my personal list so that I can easily access them later. As a student, I want to set reminders for deadline on saved opportunities so I can ensure my application is submitted on time. As a registered user, I want to log in to access my saved opportunities and receive personalized reminders. So the key features include browse opportunities, save opportunities, set reminders, user authentication, allow users to register and log in to access personalized features such as saving opportunities and setting deadline reminders. You can have manage saved opportunities. You have deadline notification. Now what I will do is I'll say go ahead and generate. So now in 5 to 7 minutes, what it will do is that it will generate the entire app from scratch. So when you say generate the app, it is building all the coding components that is necessary for the app, which is something which takes few months for normal development. Okay, so let it create it. Okay, now you can see that the app has already been created. So this is the app, as you can see. So now if you go here, this is the design mode. This is the design mode. So this is the workflow mode. In workflow mode, you can actually configure various things. When you click on a button, you can add actions and all those other elements that you can do to do customizations there. Now this is the database. So if you look at the database, this is the notification database, saved opportunity. So if I show you some dummy data for this, so this is the modified date, this is the opportunities. So for opportunities, these are the information that is getting captured, so that has been put. This is the style. Now if you want to see how it looks, I can just preview it, and after that I can upgrade to deploy it. So if I want to deploy it, I need to upgrade to the Bubbles premium plans, which again is quite affordable compared to the money that is required for development. If you are hiring a developer, this is only a fraction of that cost. So now you see this is named it as Opportunity Hub. Now if I wanted to change the logo here, I can come and change the static image here. See, I can change it to anything I want. So it's all customizable. So now if you see this, it has created opportunities. When I click on explore opportunities, it will show me various opportunities. So it has created some dummy opportunities for me to play around. Now if I sort by deadline, it will say the closest one. See the deadline. Now if I want to filter by, say, conference, okay, conference, and search, it is gonna filter it, but I don't know why it happens. Yeah, so if you see this robotic workshops and other things, it shows. If I view the details, this is the opportunity. I can save it also if I want to. I can set a reminder from here. All those things I can do from here. Now if I go to my opportunities, so it's showing that I have logged in. So from there I can see all the information I saved. So you see this, I have saved it multiple times, so it has created multiple times. So that is something which I need to handle. Now if I go here and say reminder, it will set the reminder for me. Now if I go and edit, I can add the notes for me. So here I can come and see all the notification for the competition that I have already signed up, and it has thrown a notification. So in this way I can create an app very easily, and after that I can go ahead into this designer mode and make all the workflow customizations. So I hope this tool is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.